Wholesale2B Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Wholesale2B resources are in the description below. Wholesale2B is a robust solution designed to help dropshippers import and sell products from multiple suppliers without maintaining any inventory. By offering direct integrations with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, Wholesale2B aims to streamline product listings, automate order processing, and keep stock levels accurate. One of the key features is the extensive supplier network, which includes thousands of items across categories like electronics, apparel, home goods, and more, allowing store owners to quickly expand their catalogs and tap into new markets. Another highlight is the single dashboard approach, where you can manage orders, track shipments, and update listings all in one place, minimizing manual effort. For pricing, Wholesale2B offers several plans with varying degrees of automation, so you can choose a level that fits your business size and budget. Among the strengths, the platform's user-friendly interface stands out, making it relatively easy for newcomers to navigate and set up. The ability to automatically sync inventory across multiple channels is also crucial, helping to avoid overselling or listing outdated stock. Moreover, Wholesale2B's data feed tools let you push products seamlessly into your store with preloaded descriptions, images, and pricing. In terms of weaknesses, some users feel that the monthly fees or per order costs can add up, especially for smaller operations with tight margins. Additionally, since Wholesale2B acts as an intermediary between your store and various suppliers, shipping times and product quality can vary widely, so communication and supplier vetting remain important. Another drawback is that while Wholesale2B covers many product niches, those looking for very specialized or high-end products might not find the variety they need. Overall, Wholesale2B is a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses that want a broad selection of products and an automated way to handle listings and orders across multiple sales channels. If you can balance the monthly subscription costs and ensure customer satisfaction with shipping times, you may find it an excellent addition to your dropshipping toolkit.